go. It's up there.
Come on, kid. Let's go eat this moth.
Dude. That's probably me. Here, you hold on to it. I don't want it anymore. You threw the cat at me.
That's her esophagus. I'm not gonna lie.
She just sprayed me with Windex. Stop it!
I'm gonna throw this camera at your face. Oh, it smells like Windex in here now. No, stop. No. I'm here to clean your windows.
Wait, let me see the camera.
I don't want my windows cleaned. You're gonna ruin your camera.
That hurt. Take it back. Take it back.
Stop it. Back up. This thing can go further than that can.
Okay. I'm drying my eyes. Okay, truce. Putting it down. Backing away. Let's go, let's go.
Wait, it's upside down.
Wait, no.
So you use the shirt.
Hey, this shirt hurt me. It caused me a lot of pain. Okay. It's nice and pretty now. My hands are off.
No, don't eat.
I'll use my bloomers. These are my bloomers.
Those are bloomers. You
Aren't
wear
they
them
pretty?
under your uniform for cheerleading.
Aren't they gorgeous? Very sexy.
Oh.
I'm gonna.
La 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 la. Hi.
Oh, that was fun. Wow.
You're so stupid.
Wait, is it almost out of time?
That's your graduation dress.
Dude. No, it's not. Don't show it on there. No.
Ow, my neck cracked.